Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Meet Me Unique, and today we're just going to see how to select your setup box as a default HDMI while just opening your Xiaomi Google TV. If you just turned on, it directly shows your HDMI setup box, the cable, what you use by using this particular setting on your Xiaomi or My TV. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to set the HDMI or your normal TV as a default mode on your Xiaomi Google TV. It's a secret setting. It's actually inside the setting option. First of all, you just go inside the setting option. After going inside the setting option, you have a lot of other options here, but you just need to swipe to the bottom section and just need to select the system. So after selecting the system option, you just click on this and just go to the bottom section to click on the power and energy. So click on this. Now in power and energy, you just need to turn on the power and behavior, the first option. So while powering on, it automatically select the Google TV home screen. So now you just need to click on the last used input, which means if you are just watching on the TV as a HDMI cable, your local TV channel you're having watching on the TV, you just turn off the by using the power button. If you just turn this on, so it will be automatically go to the last used input, which is a cable TV you just bought. So you just need to turn this on, just select it and just go back and turn this off and on. You can see the last use. If you're on the Google home screen, it will be go to the, if you just turning on, it will be go to the home screen, Google TV home screen. You just using on the your cable, it will be go to the cable. So this is the option. You can just use it to make as a default. It's called last used input. Otherwise, if you just need to open it by using only Google TV home screen, just select it. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super Bible content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Meet Be Unique. Have a wonderful